Hi, I'm Xavier Murphy, founder of Jamaicans.com and host of Jamaicans to the World. And today's fact on Jamaica and Jamaicans is Claude McKay. Claude McKay, who many of you may know from school because you had to learn, well, back in my time, you had to learn a Claude McKay poem. Many of you may be aware of the lovely, dainty Spanish needle. I don't remember it, but here are some facts on this gentleman because, again, very instrumental in the world. But in New York, did you know that he was one of the people that contributed to what they call a Harlem Renaissance? Yes, Claude McKay had published his first book of poetry and established himself as a literary voice for social justice during the Harlem Renaissance. He's known for his essays and novels and poems, including the popular one, If We Must Die, and Harlem Shadows. He died in May 22, 1948. That's today's fact.